Hi, I'm Miss Teresa and welcome back to Make It Monday at the Box Springs Library. Today we're going to make these memory ornaments for your Christmas tree. So if you're ready, let's get started. Okay guys, we're going to do memory ornaments, Christmas ornaments. So you'll need a glass ball and you're going to need some ribbon, any kind of ribbon. Now you're going to need one colored ribbon per child that you have, okay? So what you're going to do, open up your glass ball, take off the top, so that way you have the hole, okay? Mine's not really glass, mine's plastic. Stay. Okay. Then you would pull out your ribbon, whatever ribbon it is, for that child. Now you're going to measure your child from head to toe with this ribbon, the whole length of ribbon. Or you can measure your child and then pull out that much ribbon, however you want to do it. So let's say this was the length of my child, obviously not, but however long the ribbon is. So then you take your ribbon and then you put your child's name, and then you put however tall she or he is. Okay, you could even put the date on it, but you don't have to. So just their name and their height. Okay, so you would do this for all the kids, each different ribbon, and then you take your ribbon and you just put it into your ornament like so. And then you have your memories of how tall your kids were on that particular Christmas. Now you can take a Cricut, you can buy store-bought letters, numbers. I don't have either of those. I'm just going to use a paint pen, and then you're just going to put the year like that. Okay, 2023, and then you just put your top back on. Let me put my top back on my marker first. So then you just put your top back onto your ornament. Like that, and then you tie your string that came with your ornament onto your ornament, and there you go. Thank you for joining us for this edition of Make It Monday at the Box Springs Library. I hope you had fun making your ornament. Remember to like, share, comment. We love seeing your creations, and until next time, bye.